Good day, everyone. Welcome to our new discussion. I am Ranzi Torres, a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Studies. Today, I will be discussing my assigned topic in our course Ed 304, the teacher and the community, school culture, and organizational leadership. Unit 5, Leading Change, Emerging Trends, and Future Outlook. A. Leading Change and Innovation. 2. Strategies for fostering school improvement and encouraging innovation. I hope this presentation will be clear and informative for everyone. Before we proceed to our final discussion, let me read first our learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students are expected to K. Explain the concept of school improvement and innovation in the context of educational leadership and change management. S. Design simple school-based initiative or practices that encourage collaboration, creativity, and positive change. And A. Show commitment to being proactive, flexible, and innovative future teachers who support school improvement efforts. So now, let's proceed to our main topic, which are the strategies for fostering school improvement and encouraging innovation. First strategy is developing a shared vision for change. So this means working together to create a clear direction for school improvement. School leaders and teachers collaborate to set goals that respond to learners' needs and aligned with the school's mission. When everyone understands and supports the vision, efforts becomes more focused and meaningful. For example, if students struggle with reading, the school may adopt a vision like every learner is a confident reader. This shared vision guides teaching strategies, programs, and stakeholder support, encouraging active participation in achieving change. Number two is promoting collaborative leadership and teamwork. Collaborative leadership means working together and sharing responsibility. In schools, teamwork among teachers, administrators, parents, and the community helps generate better ideas and solutions. For example, in professional learning community, or PLCs, teachers meet to discuss students' progress and plan lessons together. If learners are struggling, teachers share strategies and support one another to improve learning outcomes. Next strategy is encouraging professional development and lifelong learner. Professional development focuses on helping teachers continuously improve their knowledge and teaching skills through regular training, workshops, coaching, and reflection. Educators are better prepared to adopt new strategies, integrate technology, and respond to the diverse needs of learners. For example, a school may conduct a workshop on digital learning tools. Teachers then apply these tools in their classes and later reflect together on what worked well. This practice supports continuous growth and strengthens teaching quality. Number four is creating a supportive and open school culture. A supportive and open school culture encourages trust, openness, and innovation. When teachers feel safe and supported, they are more willing to try new teaching strategies without fear of criticism or blame. For example, school leaders may encourage teachers to experiment with new instructional methods and treat mistakes as learning opportunities instead of focusing on faults. Leaders provide feedback and support, helping teachers improve and grow professionally. Number five is using data and feedback for improvement. Using data and feedback helps school make informed decisions for improvement. Evidence from student performance, classroom observations, and feedback from teachers, students, and parents shows what is working and what needs to be improved. For example, if assessment results show low performance in a subject, teachers and school leaders analyze the data together and adjust teaching strategies. This ensures that decisions are based on evidence and focus on improving student learning. Next strategy is integrating technology and innovative practices. Integrating technology and innovative practices enhances teaching and learning when used effectively. Digital tools, blended learning, and online platforms support engagement, collaboration, and accessibility while creative. and learner-centered strategies promote active learning. For example, teachers may use online learning platforms for interactive lessons and group discussions combined with hands-on activities in class. This balanced approach improves students' participation and support diverse learning styles. Last strategy is engaging the community and stakeholders. Engaging the community and stakeholders strengthens school improvement through shared responsibility. When parents, local organizations, and community leaders are involved, schools gain additional support, resources, and diverse perspectives. For example, schools may partner with local organizations to support learning programs or invite parents to participate in school activities. This collaboration helps create meaningful learning experiences and support students' overall level development. So that's all for the seven strategies. In conclusion, fostering school improvement and encouraging innovation require purposeful leadership, collaboration, and a supportive culture. Teachers and school leaders must view change as an opportunity for growth rather than a challenge to avoid. By applying effective strategies and embracing innovation, school can continuously improve and better prepare learners for the demands of the future. That will be all. Thank you.